Hello, my name is Senjalia Hitenshu and my today's topic is walking frames. Walk. Let me see about what is walking frames. Walking frames, also known as walker. Walker is a mobility aid device used by individuals who need additional support to maintain balance or stability while walking. It typically consists of a lightweight metal frame with four legs and hand grip for support. There are some types or features for which benefits should be confirmed for the patient. So now we can see the types of walking frames. Uh, In the types of walking frames, first type is standard walking frame. These have four legs and designed for stability, often used by individuals with balance issues or weakness in the lower body. So the person who has weakness in lower body, that type of person or that type of patients will use this walker. So now we can see the second type, which is a wheeled walking frame. So this walking includes wheels in the front legs, making them easier to maneuver, especially for individuals who have some mobility but still not support, still need support. So that this type of walking frames will be used that type of person who has a mobility to stand, but they are not properly work. So they need to for the work they need a support. So that type of person, this type of walking wheeled walking frame will be used. So now we can see the third walking frame, which is a folding walking frame. So this frame can be folded for easier storage and transportation. So this walking frame is specially made that if any person wants to fold their walking frame, so they are easily folded and carries and storage for and also they will use for transportation. So now we can see the forearm working frames. So these are armrests. These have armrests instead of hand grip, providing the additional support for individual with weaker upper bodies. So the person who has weakness in upper bodies, so they will not do the proper hand grip in the handle. So this type of armrest, as you see, you can see here in in the right side diagram, this type of armrest test will be given. So now we can see how will the construction of this frame will happen, what material should be used. Most working frames are made of lightweighted metal like aluminum or steel for durability and easy to use. So for this type of working frames will be made by the aluminum and steel. Now we can see the height adjustability. So height if the frame can be usually be adjusted to suit the user's height and comfort. So accordingly, the height of the users, the height of walking frames should be adjusted. Now we can see the weight capacity. Walking frames comes in various weight capacity to accommodate different users. So these type of walking frames are come in different weight capacities. So the different type of persons who have fat bodies or who have thin bodies, they will use by accordingly. So now we can see the features and accessories of the walking frames. So first is hand grip. These provide a comfortable grip for the user and may have energy ergonomic design for better support. Second is wheels. Some model features wheels on the front legs, which can be swelled or fixed to aid in maneuverability. So as I can say in previous in wheeled walking frame, this type of wheels should be fixed in walking frame, so the person will be use that type of walking. Another is brakes. Wheeled walking frames may have brakes to prevent them rolling away when not to use. So if the person is not want to walk further, they want to stand at a particular place. So they will put the brakes on the wheeled walking frames. So the wheeled walking frames will not roll away. So it will stable at one place. Now we can see another one, that is the seats. Some walking frames comes with built-in seats, inbuilt seats, allowing the users to rest with freedom. So after some times, if the person will be tired, if the person will be tired while walking, so they will take the seat out and they will sit. So another is the baskets and trays. Many working frames have attached baskets and trays for carrying personal items and grocery. As the definition here, you can see that here the trays will become with the working frames. So the items like groceries, vegetables will be carried and now, accessories. User can customize their working frames with accessories like cup holders or lighter for added convenience. Lightings. So the working frame should be modified by the using of by the need of the users. So now we can see the benefits of using working frames. First is stability. Working frames provide stability and support. Also reduce the risk of falls and accidents. So these working frames should be increase the stability and also give the support the person who need the for better work. Or also for that type of person, this type of working frames should be reduce the risk of fall or accidents. Another is any independence. They allow individuals with mobility issues to maintain their independence and perform daily activities with greater ease. So, as you can see here, the person will be individual who want to go further for work. So they don't need another person for support them. They just carry the working frames and they will go for work by their in their own. So this independence should be given by the working. Another one is rehabilitation. Working frames are often used in rehabilitation programs to help patients regain strength and mobility after injury or surgery. Some injuries like fracture, road traffic accidents, and also surgeries in past surgeries happen to persons. So that persons will use the working frames, and also this will be help to person to regain the strength and mobility. So overall, working frames play a crucial role in improving mobility and quality of life for individuals with mobility challenges. So overall, you can see here that working frames are playing very important role for increasing stability, mobility to the individual life. Choosing the right working frame involves considering factors such as the user's specificity, need, comforts, and lifestyles. So the working frame should be given or should be chosen by that the person needs. It depends on person needs, how person will comfort, and also it depends on lifestyle of that person. So this all from my side. I am Senjalia Hitenshu in BPT, first year BPT in Marwadi University. Thanks.